Cameron approached me at TXM because of our track record in working with growing manufacturing businesses. Interpod had done a remarkable job of developing the pod concept and selling that into the market, but they had no experience in manufacturing, so they called on TXM as manufacturing experts. So when we first met with Interpod, they basically had an empty building in Singleton with 2 prototype pods and an order for 300 pods to be delivered in 6 months' time. So the aim was to really design the manufacturing process from the outset. And the first change we had to wrestle with is that it turned out that the site in Singleton was not suitable. So they immediately switched to a site in Gosford on the Central Coast, and we had to design the manufacturing concept and the layout for that. Initially, to build 3 pods a day to meet their first contract. So Interpod have a lean production system. What does that really mean? Well, what it means is it's based on the principles of lean developed by Toyota in their global manufacturing. So at the core of the Interpod production system is the idea of one-piece flow. That is, every pod flows through every step of production in sequence, one at a time. And this means that the lead time is minimized, and critically, the waste and non-value adding time between processes is minimized. Built around that are really clever processes for delivering the right material and the right tools to the right point of the process at the right time. It also means that if we're going to move the pods at a steady rate, we have to actually make sure that every worker is capable of completing their task at their workstation at that rate. At TXM, we've had a 10-year journey with Interpod. So as the business has grown from that initial project that required 3 pods a day to the current facility, which is capable of 40 pods a day, the team at Interpod have engaged us to help them overcome different challenges and to scale up. So we've worked on developing their production process to increase the output. We've also looked at engineering processes and information processes so that what the customer wants is accurately translated in a way that can be produced efficiently on the production flow line at Interpod. Our latest work has been to develop the factory layout for this impressive new facility, which is really the realization of all the work that's gone in up to this point in developing the Interpod production system. Another really impressive thing about the Interpod story is we've had 4 different consultants work with Interpod. So normally our customers fret that they can only work with one person. Interpod team have had the benefit of having different people work at different times and provide slightly different skills and emphasis within the overall framework of the TXM approach. And I think this has really helped as well. So the facility that we're standing in now is a world-class modular building facility. It's as good as anything you'll find in Europe or North America or Japan. Now that's impressive, but even more impressive is that they have the flexibility to customize. So every one of the pods that you see behind me is subtly different from the next one on the production line. In some cases, quite different. And so the production system has the flexibility to develop a customized pod so that each bathroom in a building can be different if the end users want it that way. That's quite amazing and is a key advantage of the Interpod approach. Not only that, the flow production line gives them really great control of their output, great control of their lead time, and excellent control of their costs, making them really competitive and a great producer for the construction industry.